Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. CryptoSnake here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you my top 5 favorite crypto wallets for beginners. While there are many types of wallets available, I'll be focusing on the most popular options, software and hardware wallets. So let's get started. Let's start with software wallets. First up, we have the Exodus wallet. It is a desktop and mobile wallet that supports over 260 crypto assets. It has a user-friendly interface and allows you to manage your portfolio and view your transaction history easily. The Exodus wallet also has a built-in exchange, which makes it easy to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It's free to use, making it a great option for beginners. Another great software wallet for beginners is the Coinbase Wallet. It's a mobile wallet that supports hundreds of thousands of tokens and dApps and is very easy to use. You can buy, sell and store cryptos within the app. The Coinbase wallet also has a built-in browser, which makes it easy to access decentralized applications. It's free to use, making it a great option for beginners. Number 3 on the list is the Trust Wallet, which is a mobile wallet that supports 70 blockchains and over 9 million crypto assets. It's very user-friendly and has a built-in browser, which allows you to access decentralized applications. The Trust Wallet also allows you to stake certain cryptocurrencies, which is a huge plus for everyone who loves passive income. It's free to use and it's a great option for beginners. Moving on to hardware wallets, we have the Ledger Nano S Plus hardware wallet. It's a small USB device that you can plug into your computer. It's very secure as it stores your private keys offline and requires a physical button press to confirm transactions. The Ledger Nano S Plus supports over 5,500 assets and is very easy to use. It costs around $79, making it an affordable hardware wallet option for beginners. And number 5 on the list today is the Trezor Model One, which is another popular hardware wallet. Like the Ledger Nano S, the Trezor Model One stores your private keys offline, making it very secure. It also supports over 1,000 cryptos and similarly to Nano S Plus has 2 buttons for easy navigation. It costs just around $70, making it an affordable option for beginners. In conclusion, if you're a beginner in the world of cryptos, a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano S Plus or Trezor Model One would be the best option for you. They offer the highest level of security and are very easy to use. If you're looking for a software wallet, the Exodus Wallet, Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet are all great options. They are free to use, user-friendly and support a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Also guys, if you plan to purchase Ledger or Trezor Wallet, please use the official links provided in the description. If you use my links, I will receive a small commission. Thank you for supporting my channel. And that's all for today. I hope you found this information helpful. Please let me know in the comments below which wallet you use and why. Thanks again, hodl strong, and I'll see you next time.
Crypto creep, he's in the state, he's not a profession. Crypto creep has the strongest voice of the generation. Crypto blocks, chains, decentralization. Crypto creep is not alone, this is our nation.